In today's video, I'm showing you a unique way to stitch beads and rhinestone onto fabric, not just in a top stitch, but a floating beaded effect that looks like a delicate string of beads woven into your garment. It's elegant, stylish, and super easy to do. It's completely free. Let's just dive in it and get creative. I'm going with the edit pattern, and wherever I want to add the top stitch, like this one, I select on it, right click and add offset as internal line, and then OK. Now I'm gonna go and add a segment top stitch or free top stitch, actually it doesn't matter at all, and then add wherever you want to apply the texture. And now I'm going back over to Closet Connect in the store. We can go search for free. Now set the price to free. Right here in the free, we should go and look for top stitch, like this one. And then you will add it to your cart and download it. And when you download it, you need to go over to your file, found it, and extract it wherever you want. Now I have my extracted top stitch here, downloaded completely free from Closet Connect. And this is my default top stitch, and I already applied the top stitch to my garment. So I will grab this and drop it right here. And when you turn this off, you can see the top stitch as a bead is over there. But the trick is here. If I go and write a trans fabric on the property editor, I want to set the opacity to 0 and select this and this, and then assign it to transparent one. So the only thing you can see is the beads that you just applied there. If you have any adjustment or changes, in case you don't like this, you can come to the top stitch property editor and you can change the offset, the stitch count, whatever you want to do. I just set it to 2 and set this to, yeah, you can change whatever you want. But don't forget that you need to subscribe and write me a comment so I know you like this video and I will go make another one. I hope you like this very fast forward video and see you in the next one.